Hello everyone. Today we will learn about set theory. In this lecture, we will discuss what is set and see some examples. Let us start with the definition of set. A well-defined collection of distinct elements. We denote set by capital letter of English alphabet. For example, let us take A is a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Then what will be the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. That's it. So any elements written in the set is forming a collection is called a set. Now we will see a few examples whether any collection is a set or only a specific collection can be a set. Here are some examples. We have to check whether the collection is a set or not. Start with question number 1. Here they are telling that the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J is a set or not. We know that the months beginning with letter J are January, June and July. So there are exactly 3 months that start with letter J. If we collect these months in a curly bracket, this will be a set. Now let us go to the second example. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Now here you see 10 most talented writers. The phrase most talented is not well defined because for some writer you cannot decide whether they are talented or not. Some writer may be talented in writing poem, some writer may be talented in writing prose, so you cannot decide that. So this is not a well defined collection. Well defined collection not well defined. So this is not a set. Now go to the third example. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. Again, here you see 10, 11 best cricket batsmen. Here, best cricket batsmen, we cannot define that. Some batsmen are good in hitting six, some are good in playing test matches. So we cannot decide who are the best. This is also a not well defined collection. And so it is not a set. Now go to the next collection, the collection of all boys in your class. If you are reading in a class, then the collection of boys is finite and known to you. And this name of these boys also written in the register of your class or in your school. So this is a well-defined collection for you, and this makes a set. So this is a set. Now go to the next one. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Here the collection is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 99, because here they say less than 100. So this collection is well defined. We can know, count and write the elements. Therefore this is a set. Now go to the next example, the collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Here Munshi Premchand is a well-known writer, and number of novels written by him is finite. So in that case, that collection is a set, because this collection is well defined. Therefore this makes a set. Now next one, the collection of all even integers. Though we cannot write all the even integers, but we can know the integers, whether the integer is a even or not. Therefore this collection is well defined. Therefore this makes the collection is a set. So that's it for the class. We will continue the set theory in next lectures. Stay tuned and subscribe the channel.